Hello, everyone. We are Webbee Group. We're happy to welcome you on our new webinar session. Today, we will be talking about Bitrix24 HR Tools and capabilities in Bitrix24 to manage your human resources. So we are your presenters. My name is Alex Malov, and together with me today is my colleague Andrei Grebenkov, and we will be running this webinar through this structure. First of all, we'll provide you a bit of overview of what you can expect today. So today it will be in three parts with the last part of the questions and answers. So first of all, we will be talking about a brief overview about us. Then we'll switch to the description of the Bitrix24 default HR tools overview. And the most, I think, interesting part will be the third part, which is the real case example, how you can automate your HR processes with automated workplace functionality of Bitrix24, and also the custom leave management module that can be deployed for the on-premise editions. So these are the practical cases, and practical cases are always the most interesting ones. And the last part will be questions and answers. And of course, as traditionally, we have some special offer that will be available for the participants of the webinar, and it will be available only for the limited time till the 17th of August, and details will be provided in the last part of our webinar. And we will be recording this session, so you will be able to review it when you need some kind of recall any kind of things about this webinar. So let me go to the first part, the introduction about us, or brief overview about who we are and what we do. So we are Bitrix24 Gold partners and authorized training providers. And actually, Bitrix24 is our core service that we provide. So all our business is built around Bitrix24. We live and breathe Bitrix24 for more than 9 years now. And when you speak about Webbee, when you name Webbee, you speak about Bitrix24, because we don't do anything else. We are the dedicated Bitrix24 partner, and we have full expertise about premise versions. We provide full scope of services regarding Bitrix24, and we have tracked record of the implementation projects, support integration projects. You can always check them on our website and get some ideas about what we do and how we can be helpful to you about your Bitrix24 account and how we can guide you during your Bitrix24 journey. So this is the brief intro about us, and now let's move to the actual agenda of our today's session is the Bitrix24 HR and automation tools. And first of all, let's talk about company structure. A clear organizational setup helps teams work together smoothly, and Bitrix24 company structure tools make it simple. The org structure is a visual tool showing departments, roles, and reporting lines. It's interactive, so you can view and edit time hierarchies easily. You can add departments, assign employees, and set access permissions to control who see what. And the employee directory stores key details like names, contact info, roles, making it simple to find and connect with the colleagues. For example, a new employee can check the org chart to understand the team's structure to find key contacts on a day one. This clarity speeds up onboarding, improves communication, and the tool works for teams of any size, from 5 to 5,000 employees. So it's very easy to use tool. It has a brand new design, and it's more user friendly with a recent fresh update that Bitrix24 has done to this particular company structure tool. By the way, we will be also showcase you those tools and features straight after the presentation during the slides. Be the short overview over the slides. And now let's talk about the time management. Time management is designed for tracking work hours and schedules. Bitrix24 tools help you to manage time effectively. And the work time management feature lets employees clock in and out and on the desktop or mobile application as well. Time cards are saved automatically, so HR can review hours easily. You can compare planned versus actual time to improve planning and efficiency. And shared and personal calendars help schedule meetings and avoid overlaps, while absence calendars track vacations, sick days, and other leave requests. For remote teams, these tools are especially helpful because employees can log hours from anywhere, and managers get real-time insights into availability. This reduces administrative work and helps teams to stay on track. Actually, this is an important tool to manage the HR. So most of the customers, they are always asking about how the time tracking working, and they're pretty interested in those tools and features. And actually, it's already in Bitrix24. It's already under one umbrella of Bitrix24. And the most beautiful part, you don't need to pay additionally, because when you get the professional plan, you get those features included. So you don't need to pay for this particular module when you buy on premise, or when you buy professional or higher. And now let's move to the work reports. It's also an important part of the managing the human resources and understanding what your personnel is doing. So understanding team performance is a key actually to making informed decisions, and Bitrix24 makes reporting straightforward. The work report tools lets employees submit task updates, and manager can review or comment. Also, manager can accept or decline, kind of not accept and decline, but mark the report with a positive or negative kind of mark. So assess it. And also this promotes accountability and clear communication inside your team. So yeah, feel free to use that feature, and yeah, we'll showcase how it works as well. And the last part is the workflow automation. Of course, when we talk about Bitrix24, Bitrix24 is all about automation, streamlining your procedures. And for HR tools, from the HR perspective, Bitrix24 also automates your process, and it's done thanks to the workflow automation. So repetitive HR tasks can eat up time, but Bitrix24 automates them to keep things efficient. So you can automate processes like onboarding, leave requests, expense approvals, and business trip planning. So employees kind of self-service portal that staff to create requests, submit them, access documents, and review the result on their requests. Automation also can connect HR with other tools like CRM or task management. And also an important part in Bitrix24 that you can also create your own workflows. So by default, you have 5 preset workflows, but additional workflows can be designed with the help of the Bitrix24 workflow design. So these 4 major parts, they kind of form the 4 kind of columns, pillars of the Bitrix24 default HR tools. And now let me pass the word to Andre, and he will actually show you those default Bitrix24 tools. Andrew, the word is yours.
Yes, hi everyone. My name is Andre, and I'm just going to show you the example of this functionality that Alex just mentioned. Okay, so as you see on my screen, so this is the employee directory where you can find all the employees and see all their details available in the organization. Definitely, you can use search filter to just make the search more comfortable. Usually the user profile has some details like image, some information, person information, departments, and some other details that needs to be filled in once the employee onboarded in the company. Let's go to the company structure. So this is basically the org chart, which you can build, create departments, sub-departments. There is a access permissions available, so you can define who can build and make changes in the company structure, add employees, remove departments, and yeah, just make this kind of first step of your configuration if you do it by your own. Department has different settings, so you can edit department to just to specify a name, a parent department. Also, you can add sub-departments, edit employees and supervisor. So you can also add the deputy supervisor, so that person who's just came to your organization, so they can just open the org chart and see who is responsible for what and what's kind of a line of communication between department. You can make transfer between departments right here and use multi-role employees which can work in different departments. So yeah, feel free to use this tool, and yeah, in case you have any questions, so yeah, you can reach us for clarification and for assistance with the setup. Work time, it's also an important part of the HR functionality in Bitrix. So it shows the actual time spent on workplace, work time available on desktop version and in the mobile version. So when the employee starts their workday, they can clock in. And these the time will be start counting, so you can see just start counting here. You can have a break, you can have clock out, you can use also the mobile application to clock in, clock out if you need. The good feature is check in here, so you can actually post your coordinates when you, for example, start your workday. You can use share your geolocation with the employer. So yeah, you can see my time today. So for example, I just stopped my day, just click and break. and system just logging all the time, and now it's information where what's the clock-in time and how many hours I've spent, and you can see also the details like IP address and some other details. If employee just forgot to clock out, he can do this next day. Just click edit and request the clock out time. Work reports, as Alex mentioned, is just information that needs to be submitted by the employees. In the settings, you can specify if the report is required or it's a daily report that needs to pop up like 4 p.m. every day for everybody. It could be department based or employee based. So on this test portal, we can see some reports available. So yeah, this is example of work report. So so team can generate report to compare deals closed with hours worked, helping identify top performance. So basically, employee can provide here the outcome of the current day, what's been done, any issues, any plans for the next day, upload files, pick up the tasks, and send this to supervisor. So supervisor will be able to score this as positive, negative. Okay, let's click at the score positive. So it will be green now. Yeah, green, good report. So yeah, it will be visually clear. So if negative, it will be red report. All right, let's move further. Work schedules, it's one of the important part of the HR as well. So you can build schedule as a shift, flexible or fixed, and assign employees to those shifts. Yeah, you can specify different shifts and assign each employee to a specific shift. Absence charts is this default feature in Bitrix where employees can request their leaves and we can see the calendar of all leaves here. Just to add leave, specify the person here, type of absence, I don't know, maybe unpaid leave, some Instagram stuff should be. So why Instagram? Okay, just maybe family event. Yeah, and leave can be requested and logged into the system. Yeah, so now HR person knows the what's going on and where all the employees are, availability of the employees. And you can filter by different absence types. Okay, let's move further. Alex mentioned about workflow automations. So Bitrix has predefined workflows available in the feed workflow, and just click to workflows list. We have added some additional automations, but by default, there are 4 of them. So for example, leave approval is one of them. You can click and start the workflow and specify date and time for the leave request. Also absence type. Just be in mind that this is not counting the actual balance of your available leaves. Is just the workflow to request leave. Yeah, and it goes to the supervisor, and once approved, it goes to further for HR for the recording. And yeah, so everyone knows what's the current stage for this request, and it's kind of visually quite clear. You can use other workflows as well that could be helpful. So it's a business trip request, some purchase requests, expense reports. If you need to modify them, so you can use Workflow Designer to adjust the workflows and make your own specific workflow based on those templates. All right. Yeah, and we have developed a specific model which is only possible to install on-premise edition. So this is the HR leave management model, and this model is counting the annual the accrued balance of the leave available for annual leaves, sick leaves, and other type of leaves. And once employee requested the leave, it will be deducted from the balance. The settings here specify the like how many annual leaves your financial year allowed, like how many sick leaves, family care leave, and these settings HR can use to specify their own kind of organizational policies here. All right. If you have any questions, you can open the Q&A section and send your request so we can answer them during this webinar. Yeah, so let's go back to the leave management request model. So basically, you can create new leave request, and you can specify day, so you can see how many days. You can see how many days available for this type of request. Okay, let's do again family event and create request. So this request, yeah, you can see now that total amount of available annual leaves reduced by 2. And you can see that your request is awaiting approval. So your supervisor will receive notification and will be able to approve or decline your annual leave request. Here you can see different two numbers. One number is your current available annual leave balance, and forecasted balance by the end of the next financial year, for example. So this way you can forecast the number of leave requests available. All right, so yeah, if you have on-premise edition and you have need to have this tool, let us know so we can show you this maybe personal demo, and you can make your decision. All right, Alex, do you have something to add before I'm going to move to the next HR automated?
No. Actually, yeah, you've already passed to the second part of our webinar with the demonstration of the leave management module, because it was our second part. And yeah, now you can proceed with the demonstration of the Bitrix24 automated workplace for HR. So actually, this just a couple of words of an intro. This workplace, it allows to build the HR process and automate, streamline the whole HR cycle for the employee processing from end to end. And it can be configured, and it can be used on a daily basis by the HR specialists in your company. So Andrew, you can now provide a demo of that.
Right, so yeah, let's move to the HR automated workplace. So it started with recruitment process. So you can see on the top, we have HR onboarding, recruitment, onboarding, training, dismissal. So this is these all stages that require in the organization. And recruitment started with adding kind of candidate details from the website. So I'll just probably share another screen where we can see the yeah. So on the website, you can post a position here, just provide job description, and the form is available here. So position can be selected, just remote customer success manager, you upload CV, usually it's a PDF file, you provide some cases, salary expectation, and some other details, your location, etc. So this is the start point of receiving kind of inquiries from candidates on the position. And once the form, so this is the Bitrix form, it's embedded on the website. You can build a Bitrix form right in Bitrix and embed into any kind of website. It could be a WordPress, or it could be a Bitrix website, or any other. It's just JavaScript that could be inserted on the page. So once form is filled, let's go back to our pipeline. So this is recruitment pipeline, and now we have okay. So we have software sales consultant. We have some information about candidate. We have submitted CV and some other details that usually needs to process CV. Automatically, the email is sending out like thank you for your CV, just providing the next steps that needs to be done to proceed with the further process. So it could be interview invitation, and as you see, stages are available on the top. So it's shortlisted, interview, reference check, offer prepared, and send and finish. So this is a short process, but how it works. So a person submitted CV, and let's go back to the first stage as kind of response. Let's click on responses. So we are now in the first stage. So now what's going on? The system is analyzing the uploaded CV and matching this uploaded CV with a job position, job description, which been in the on the website. Now we can see that system is parsing the CV, extracting personal details, some employment history. If in this CV you have kind of education and projects and other information, this will be also fetched and added to Bitrix card automatically. And you can see also job description matching score. So it's a 30. It means the candidate not quite aligned with the position, and we do not consider further. So automatically we can close the card, or in case matching score more than like 60, we can automatically shortlist the candidate and invite to the interview. If we go to another candidate, let me just check. So for example, we have one who has 70. Yeah. So we have a lot of information, position, description, some cases here. responsibility. So yeah, all this data was parsed from the CV attached, and we have score now 70. And you can also see the matching explanation. So what are the strengths and what are the weaknesses of the candidate? So we can where is it? Yeah, we can just make a proper decision, and if you can manually change the stage to invite to interview, or this could be done automatically if matching score is more than 60. So yeah, this is 70, and we probably go further with this candidate. Just a comment that this is not default Bitrix functionality. The automation workflow is using AI. So yeah, it's quite popular topic now. So AI, the system is parsing the attached PDF, okay, CV extracted data, put this back into the Bitrix, and analyze the job description, compare with the CV, and provides the score and explanation. So this is AI-based tool, which we can also share with our customers. So if you need a similar tool, please let us know. We can provide you maybe additional demo. Maybe we can just reconsider your case and adjust the scenario and apply the same functionality on your portal. This works not exactly on premise, it works in the cloud edition as well. But this requires integration with our AI integration server. All right, so yeah, once we shortlisted, interviewed candidate, reference check, and offer prepare and send, we have next stage is onboarding. So onboarding allows you to send them information to the candidate. Yeah, you can see workplace setup, introduction webinar. So this mostly steps required to onboard the employee, and a sequence of automated emails sending to person. And once you move to workplace setup, it's automatically create tasks. So we can have a look inside the task. Yeah, just to set up the employee workspace, it's mostly task related to IT department, probably, like create accounts, passwords, write the permissions, and this task is assigned to a relevant person. And also a chart task to provide more insights on the company, policies, some specific information about the company. Yeah, so tasks, content of this task definitely can be changed, and if you have specific requirements for the onboarding, this can be modified and adjusted according to your process. And same with the training and training pipeline, mostly required to provide internal training based on your knowledge base. And here you can see also the cards for the training, like send online training materials. And here the tool is helping HR to keep employee just aligned with their policies, and to help to understand what's going on in the organization. And dismissal, the last part of the pipeline, where the notice given, exit interview, asset return, also the tasks assigned to responsible person to provide this offboarding process, like deactivate user, disable user account. So it's based on task actually, and some notifications and emails that will be sent to HR, to employee. So what needs to be done before the final day in the organization. and these can be added to the dismissal pipeline. So all these four pipelines, we are calling this HR automated workplace, and these can be installed on cloud or on-premise edition, and helps HR specialists to just do a lot of work in automated mode.
Just
All
one
right.
that these tools, most of the HR tools, including the workplace, automated workplace, they're available on for the cloud plans on the professional plan of hire. So if you need those tools and you already use Bitrix24 but on lower plans, feel free to contact us and request the upgrade and get help with the configuration of those tools partially on bonus. So some tools we can provide you as a bonus, and the rest for the rest of the tools you can order the implementation package from us. So now let me get back to the presentation. Andrew, can you? I think I can the screen. Yes. So we've talked about the HR cases for Bitrix24, how they can be implemented. So the automated workplace that streamlines your full HR cycle, and also a custom solution for the HR lead management that can be implemented only for the on-premise edition. So if you use on-premise and you need such a tool, feel free to contact us. But as we promised, today we have a special offer for the participants, and it will be available till the 18th of August. So we can provide you configuration of the four processes for the workplace, automated workplace that we have just that Andrew has just advised. The recruitment, onboarding, offboarding, and training for the price of 990. The regular price is 1,500. So we are doing this special offer, and if you need that, just let us know. Or if you upgrade or purchase Bitrix4 Professional, this month you can get it for also on a discount. You can the configuration as a bonus. But the only thing that it doesn't include AI processing. This offer doesn't include AI. So if you need include AI processing, it will be some additional price on top. Yeah, feel free to ask any questions over the sales at Webbee.co.nz, and we will be glad to answer all of your questions over the email. And now we have our last part. So questions. We have 5 minutes of time to answer any questions that you might have during today's demo.
Yes, the question about AI tool. So can recruitment tool also scan pairs attached cover letters? Yes, we can also add cover letter as a part of the kind of assessment. So we just need to select another field with a cover letter and use this for assessment. Yes, this also can be configured. And also, yeah, for the format of the CV, it should be by default PDF file, which is not, shouldn't be a scan. It should be kind of converted from Word, because scan is just the image. It's also possible, but it will take a bit more complexity to the workflow. can employees view their leave history and remaining balances directly in their profiles? So if you're talking about standard functionality, so leave history, it's available in the feed. You can filter by this workflow. Remaining balances is available only in on-premise edition. Not in the profile, but it's available in the section on the left menu. You'll have section HR leave management, and it will be accessible for all employees. They can just one click and they can see all information about current balances available. Can we restrict access to certain user profiles or specific fields in the employee directory for privacy reasons? Yes, some user profile fields can be hidden. Well, if you're using on-premise edition, all these configurations can be done. Yes, correct. All models in Bitrix, they are equipped with access permissions. So if employee doesn't need to see some information like tasks, CRM, and other tools, this can be easily adjusted. Just create the basic role employees and give them access only to read, for example. And for supervisors or for administrators, you can definitely extend this role and give more permissions. So yes, it's granularly can be applied. Okay, what questions do we have else? How much does it cost? Yeah, so probably it's already been discussed, the cost of the model. And
I think we didn't provide the cost of the HR module, leave management module. So the cost of for the on-premise one, the regular price for the module is 2,500. But this month we have 20% discount on it till 31st of August. So it will be how much it will be? Well, 2,000. And also, if you are our current customer on-premise edition, it means if you bought or renewed the license with us, your Bitrix4 license, I mean, you will get another additional discount for the leave management module. So just send us a request. We'll review your situation. So if you're a current customer or not, and we'll provide you the price.
all right, I think that's all questions for today. All right, yeah. So feel free to reach us in case you have some specific requirements for the workflow, for the HR automated workplace, or for AI capabilities which can help you to streamline your HR process. And just I think it will help just a lot, because when you're scanning maybe 100 CVs and you're trying to assess all of them, it's just yeah, it's quite hard work. So let's share this work to AI. So it will be doing just in 1 minute each request.
Yep. So yeah, and don't forget about our special offer for the automated workplace, just under 1,000 for all 4 processes, or if you sign up to Bitrix24 through us, we will provide you those 4 processes for free without AI, but AI is also possible. Just let us know your requirements and we will be glad to assist. So thanks for watching today. Thanks for participating for those who have participated us today. And thanks for the team to helping with the preparation of this webinar, and we'll be glad to welcome you again on the next session. It will be in 2-3 weeks from today, and I think we'll be talking about the help desk capabilities of Bitrix24, how it can be implemented, how what use cases can be configured in Bitrix24, and what tools are involved in the implementation of the help desk based on Bitrix24. Thanks and goodbye.